This factory produces more chapatis in 1 hour than an entire village makes in a year. Welcome inside a high-speed chapati factory that never slows down.
Everything begins with tons of flour loaded into powerful mixing machines.
Within minutes, the dough is ready without human hands.
The dough moves forward through a fully automated system.
Each chapati portion is cut to the exact same size. High-speed rollers shape hundreds of chapatis every minute. Precision ensures every chapati looks identical.
Now the chapatis enter industrial ovens for baking.
Heat and timing are controlled down to the second. Freshly baked chapatis move out continuously. Automated systems inspect every single chapati. Any imperfect piece is instantly removed.
Perfect chapatis are stacked at lightning speed.
Packaging is completed in seconds without stopping production.
Every packet is labeled for safety and tracking.
Thousands of packets are prepared for delivery every hour.
Robotic vehicles handle transport inside the factory.
From here, chapatis are shipped across cities and countries.
This is how modern factories feed millions of people every single day.